pineapple and fruit for a total of $1. So it was my knife. Get your fingers in there and then do a twist.
I've been searching for some solace.
We're away.
And countless wonders of what the cost is. 'Cause what's the point?
This is the group. Ready to go.
And does it matter
We have stuff.
if the love is missing? I can't keep my head in the clouds.
This one's for Amanda. We're close to our campsite. Skylar's starting to get a bit wobbly and shaky. She pulls out the one muesli bar she bought. Cashew nuts.
I was about to eat it and then I decided I should maybe check it.
I see
you feeling, Skye?
you take the lead like summer sands. Footprints you leave. Oh, son of man, you're all I need till ocean's end. I got beach sand on my feet.
You're here.
So high up, we stayed it down in that village down there.
Yeah. How high is it, do you know?
I reckon maybe 6,000.
What, 6,000? 2,200.
Another 1,000 something too.
So at the top it's what, 3,700.
2 a.m. wake up
Uh-huh.
and then 4-hour climb straight on volcanic rubble.
The clouds. Whoa, I want to make more sound. So I see your hands, you take the lead like summer sand.
2 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast of champions, jam toast. Kids are awake. Good sleep.
Way better sleep than the other night.
No, well that's good.
Well, I should not. Yeah, you can see a lot.
You ready to go?
Ready?
You ready, Betty?
4 hours.
4 hours to
Let's
the
go.
top.
Big breakfast when we come back down.
Oh, that's what you're thinking about, not the beautiful view,
The
but
beautiful view at the top.
but the food. Ben's thinking about the food. Oh, hopefully we're getting near the top.
That.
Oh.
Like summer sands, footprints you leave. Oh, son of man,
Oh, lost
all I need.
it. You dead, Mum?
I got beach sand on my feet.
Stays. Oh.
Seems we took a wrong turn.
We never went up this, it's a one-way track.
Searching for some solace in countless wonders.
Okay, we're 6.5 hours since we left this morning, and we have made it up Mt Rinjani and back. Basically, quick rating on the Ellemental.
Can't keep my head in the clouds.
So we are at position 2.
Want to make more than a sound.
It's the end of our hike, coming in from our Mt Rinjani hike. The silly thing on my head's to stop the bleeding. Sorry about that. But Benji's led us beautifully. And everyone's coming in across the finish line, looking like stars. There's no pain in that at all. Yeah, well done. And here's our brave guide, Perry.